said no more videos till the raised beds are done. And it's time consuming because I'm hauling everything in, but I'm still going to show you a little bit of what I'm doing. All this dirt. I've got part of a video where I'm getting this stuff at work where we've piled brush up and limbs just over the years that come off the golf course, and when they get pushed back, dirt gets mixed with it, but we get really good dirt out of it. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what I'm doing with these beds. Okay, got all this metal for all these beds down through here for 50 bucks. Got all the oak and ash boards for 40 bucks. And we'll have about an 18-inch bed, but these sheets are 2 feet. And I'm also putting the metal in the ground, probably close to 4 inches, just to help hold the metal in place from pushing out, from the dirt pushing out. That'll get filled back in, but it keeps all my wood off the ground and keeps all my wood on the outside of the bed. She didn't like that I had to use a green piece, so it has to go where you can't see it if you're walking down the middle of the aisleway. And it may look a mess, but it's gonna look good. So this is just a short update on this. Walk out here and show you some of this dirt real quick. This is years of, like I say, limbs, just brush, tree damage on the golf course, just gets pushed back, dirt mixed in with it, and this is the result of about 30 years of this. So I take that dump bed trailer right up there to work with me. It belongs to the golf course where I work, and I can put 3 good bucket loads in it. And I bring it home, and a lot of the wood and stuff that's in it goes in the bottom of the raised bed just for space, and it'll just decay. And here's more panels I've got built. So we're getting there. And she's getting stuff in the greenhouse. And we got rain coming tonight and tomorrow.
It does need to go down in the front.
Yeah, that one's a little high. We'll fix that. We got our one lone chicken out and about because it's mean. It's all right with people, but it's mean to other chickens.
It's great with people.
Yeah, it just gotta be at the top of the pecking order. Anyhow, there's some stuff she's got ready. We got strawberries coming on, got asparagus back there. A lot of this compost through here, as you can see, was a lot of leaves. And we've got potatoes in there. Bunch of fertilizer in that bed. And her hoop houses. So, look at this. And looked under here, Kim asked me about something. And that is all doing good. This is all nice and colorful and good to see. Get back at it, and we are having Spectrum bring a line in because we're on a cellular service out here. It takes some time to post videos, to upload, and maybe if we get that, maybe I can talk her into doing live feeds, and we won't have to worry about buffering and not knowing if people can hear us or be annoyed by the slow service we have. Anyhow, it's a nice day, and this will just be a short video to say hey and show you what we've been doing. It's a slow process with trying to keep up with everything else out here. So, have a blessed day. Thanks for hanging out, and be a blessing in somebody's life. And we will catch you later.